Hey everyone, thanks for coming to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I dyed this beautiful 613 lace frontal wig, a ash blonde, sort of ash blonde, light brown color, only on the root. I did tone the hair prior to get a more white color versus the high yellow color that no one really cares for. So yeah, if you want more information on that, I think everyone knows you use the Shimmer Lights shampoo in hot water and just dip your wig in there, and that's how you get rid of the yellow tone to your wig. Right here I'm just parting small sections, and I have my edge brush. I dip it into the hair dye, which the hair dye that I'm using I will insert in the video, so stay tuned. If I haven't already showed you the Wella Charm, I believe it's called. It will be in the description, and I also show a picture here. So yeah, keep on watching to see how I achieve this gorgeous light brown ash blonde color on my roots. It wasn't too dark, it wasn't too light, it was just right for my skin tone. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you learned something from it. If you liked the video, please comment, ask any questions that you may have. And here right there is the picture of the dye. In this clip of the video, I am showing you the wig after it was washed and blow dry. Look how beautiful that hair is. They got rid of all of the yellow tones. So you see the roots is not too dark, it's not too light, it's just beautiful, just right. And this clip of the video, I am just applying my 613 HD lace body wave wig. And yeah, stay tuned to the end and you will see the finished results. Have a great day. Bye. In the end of the video, I do have a bonus where I show you how to properly tie down your frontal install, your lace frontal install. That way it can last longer. A lot of people are not aware of how to apply a scarf or a bonnet, whatever. I give you a quick little preview of how I secure my install, my wig at night. You let me cater to you let me cater to I wanna let you know that I am what you do. I need to reassure you my love will be purposeless without you. If I want it, I'm gonna ask you. You desire me to be good. Challenge me for the better. What do you let me cater to you? Turn my game. I'll push you again. You let me cater to you. Yes, my silk bonnet. You can actually tie it multiple times in the front and towards the back. This will keep your bonnet on. Your bonnet will not come off that way. I hate waking up in the middle of the night and my bonnet is off.